Hey guys, welcome back to Oz Caravan World. Today I'm going to show you a bit of a bus fit out that we've just completed. So the customer wasn't sure what they wanted in terms of a layout and also in terms of the cabinetry color and any of the internal finishes. So he was kind enough to let us sort of take over that portion of it, and we've done all of that in-house. So we've picked all the cabinet doors, we've picked bench tops, we've picked the fabric for both the lounge and the bed head. When it comes to a fit out like this, it's important to understand the wants, the desires, and the budget for the customer. That way, we can look at achieving the absolute sweet spot when it comes to all three. For example, if we know that a certain customer is only going to be off grid for a few days, we would point them towards an AGM setup rather than a lithium battery setup. And this just helps allow us to spend a bit more money on the fit out and the furnishing and the finishes inside the vehicle rather than just primarily on the battery management system. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed that. Thank you for spending the time with us. If you've got an idea in mind or you've got a vision, but you're unsure how to execute, feel free to come down to Oz Caravan World and we can help you out and help you to create your dream.